Ram Ram to everyone. Today we are going to read Ra- Rajasthan Rajasthan's histories chapter 9 Kachwa dynasty of Ajmer Amer or Jaipur. If you like this video, please uh, like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for you all. Let's start. Kachwa dynasty of Amer Jaipur. The Kachwa rulers consider themselves to be the descendants of the Kus, the elder son of Lord Rama, and became and because of this they were initially called Kushwahas, which later due to local pronunciation came to be known as Kachwahas. The Kachwa dynasty emerged around the 12th century, and this dynasty established its dominance in the Dundad region, which included present-day Jaipur and its surrounding areas. Major rulers and achievements. Dulha Rai, 1137 CE. Dulha Rai founded the Kachwa state in 1137 CE after defeating the uh, Bargu, Bargujraj, Bargujraj and laying the foundation of Kachwa rule in Dundad. After this, he defeated the Minaj in Janakasas and made Dosa his first capital. Later on, he drove the Minaj out of Machi Ramgarh and constructed the temple of their Kuldevi Jamavai Mata there. Kokil Dev, 1207 CE. A descendant of Dulha Rai, Kokil Dev defeated the Minaj of Amer in 1207 CE and made Amer his capital, and Amer remained the main center of uh, Kushwaz. Kachwaha power until the arrival of the Mughals. Prithviraj Kachwa Prithviraj Kachwa. Kachwa was a feudatory of Rana Sangha of Mewar. He supported Rana Sangha against Babur in the Battle of Khanwa, 1527 CE. For administrative convenience, he divided Amer into 12 districts, which was called the Bara Kotari system. Barmal, 1547 to 1574 CE. Barmal ascended the throne of Amer in 1547 CE, when the political situation of the kingdom was highly fragile and it required the backing of a strong ally. Recognizing the rising authority of the Mughal Emperor Akbar, Barmal accepted Mughal suzerainty in 1562 CE. In the same year, at Sambar, Barmal married his eldest daughter Harkabai to Akbar. Harkabai later became famous as Mariam Uz Zamani, and Jahangir was born to her. Thus, Barmal became the first Rajput ruler to establish matrimonial relations with the Mughals, which marked the beginning of the tradition of a Rajput Mughal alliance. Bhagwant Das, 1574 to 1589 CE. After Barmal, Bhagwant Das became the ruler of Amir. He occupied a significant position in the Mughal administration and served as the Subedar of Punjab for nearly 7 years. In 1585 CE, Bhagwant Das married his daughter Mans Bhagwant Das married his daughter Manbai to Jahangir. Khusro was born from this marriage. In 1589 CE, Bhagwant Das died in Lahore. Man Singh I, 1589 to 1614 CE. Mansingh first is considered the most powerful and famous ruler of the Kachwa dynasty. He entered Mughal service at the age of just 12 and later became one of the most trusted commanders of Akbar. In 1569 CE, during the Ranthambore campaign, he played an important role in persuading the Hada ruler Surjan Hada to accept Mughal suzerainty. In June 1573, Akbar sent Mansingh as a second envoy to negotiate with Maharana Pratap. Pleased with his services, Akbar granted him the title of Farjand son and a mansab of 7,000, which was the highest for any non-Muslim noble. He was also included among the Navratnas of the Mughal court. Mansingh led successfully military campaigns in Kabul, Bihar, Bengal, and Odisha. In 1592 CE, he conquered Odisha and incorporated it into the Mughal Empire for the first time. During his reign, literature and culture also developed. During this period, works related to the Manav Narhari sect were composed and scholars like Bihari Jagannath and Namdev wrote literary works. Compositions such as Mansingh Kirti Muktavali were also composed during this period. In the field of architecture, Mansingh constructed the temple of Govindev Ji at Vrindavan. He brought the idol of Sila Devi from Bengal and installed it in Ajmer. His queen Kankavati built the Jagat Shiromani temple in Amer in memory of her son Jagat Singh. The idol of Lord Krishna installed in this temple was brought from Chittoor fort. The architecture of the temple shows a beautiful blend of Hindu, Jain, and Mughal styles, and it was constructed using marble and black stone. Mirza Raja Jai Singh, 1621 to 1667 CE. Mirza Raja Jai Singh was a capable and influential ruler of the Kachwa dynasty. He ruled for about 46 years and served three Mughal emperors, Jahangir, Shahjahan, and Aurangzeb. Pleased with his administrative and military ability, Shahjahan conferred upon him the title of Mirza Raja in 1637 CE. In 1658 CE, during the Mughal War of Succession, Jai Singh defeated Dara Shikoh in the Battle of Bahadurpur, which resulted in Aurangzeb becoming the Mughal emperor. Aurangzeb sent Jai Singh to the Deccan in South India to lead the campaign against Shivaji. Through his diplomacy, Jai Singh succeeded in surrounding Shivaji, and on 11 June 1665 CE, he concluded the Treaty of Purandar. His treaty is considered extremely significant in the history of Mughal-Maratha relations. Jai Singh also made notable contributions in the cultural sphere. The famous Hindi poet Bihari and his court poet who composed the renowned work Bihari Satasai. Savai Jai Singh II, 1700 to 1743 CE. Savai Jai Singh, also known as Jai Singh II, is considered the greatest and most visionary ruler of the Kachwa dynasty. He assumed the administration of Amer in 1700 CE. Impressed by his extraordinary ability, the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb conferred upon him the title Savai, which means 1.25 times superior to an ordinary person. And this figure 9.1 is Savai Jai Singh. On 18 November 1727, under the direction of the famous architect Vidyadhar Bhattacharya, Savai Jai Singh founded the city of Jaipur, Jayanagar. It is considered the first planned city of India. To check the growing influence of the Marathas, He organized the Hurda Conference Bhilwara in 1734 CE. However, due to mutual differences among the Rajputs, this conference could not be successful. Administrative and cultural departments, Kar, Karkhanaj. Savai Jai Singh established 36 departments, Karkhanaj, for the smooth functioning of the state and the promotion of art. The main departments were Surat Khana, Department of Painting. The famous artist Muhammad Shah was his court painter, who also painted the portrait of the Maharaja, RS 2013 and 2023. Toscana, Department of Royal Garments and Costumes. Jawar Khana, Department of Jewels, Ornaments and Treasury. Poti Khana, Library or Department of Books and Manuscripts. Savai Jai Singh was also a great scholar of astronomy and mathematics. For astronomical calculations, he composed Jij A. Muhammad Sahi 1725 CE and Jaising Karika. He constructed 5 observatories, Jantar Mantar, at Delhi, Jaipur, Ujjain, Mathura and Varanasi. The Jaipur Observatory is considered the largest in the world and was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2010. His architectural contributions include the Nahargarh Fort, Jaigarh Fort. At Jaigarh, he also commissioned the Jevana, world's largest canon of that time. From a religious perspective, he is considered the last Hindu ruler to have performed the Aswamedha Yajna. Under social reforms, he enacted important laws to stop the practice of sati and to encourage widow remarriage. Savai Jai Singh died in 1743 CE. His reign is regarded as the golden age of the Kachwa dynasty. Ishwari Singh, 1743 to 1750 CE. After the death of Savai Jai Singh, a struggle for succession broke out between his sons in the Kachwa dynasty. During this conflict, the Battle of Raj Mahal took place in 1747 AD, in which Ishwari Singh emerged victorious. To commemorate this victory, he constructed the 7-storied tower Isarlat Sargasuli in Jaipur, which remains a historical landmark of the city. Savai Pratap Singh, Hathras Savai Pratap Singh, 1778 to 1803. The reign of Savai Pratap Singh is considered a golden age for the painting, literature, and culture of Jaipur. In 1799 CE, he built the world-famous 5-storied place Hawa Mahal, whose architect was Lal Chand Ustad. His court had an assembly of 22 scholars of music, dance, and literature known as Gandharva Basi. Savai Pratap Singh himself was also a literary figure and composed works under the pen name Brajnidhi. Jagat Singh II, 1803 to 1818 CE. During the reign of Jagat Singh II, the political condition of Rajasthan remained unstable. Over the issue of the Princess Krishna Kumari of Mewad, the Battle of Gingoli 1807 CE took place with the Jaipur ruler Man Singh. He issued coins in the name of his beloved Ras Raskapur in Jaipur, due to which he was called the infamous ruler of Jaipur. In 1818 CE, he entered into a treaty with the East India Company, as a result of which Jaipur came under British protection. Savai Ram Singh II, 1835 to 1880 CE. Savai Ram Singh II is widely regarded as the architect of modern Jaipur due to his extensive contributions to the city's infrastructure and development. In 1876 CE, on the occasion of the visit of the Prince of Wales, Prince Albert Edward, to Jaipur, he ordered the entire city to be painted in pink color. This color was a symbol of hospitality and welcome. After this visit, journalist Stanley Reed, in his book The Royal Tour to India, referred to Jaipur as the Pink City, and since then Jaipur became world famous by this name. To commemorate the visit of the prince, he constructed the Albert Hall Museum. Along with this, he brought blue pottery art to Jaipur and provided patronage to the art. In the field of education, he established Maharaja College and Sanskrit College and made Jaipur a center of modern education and art. Savai Man Singh II, 1922 to 1949 CE. Savai Man Singh II was the last ruler of the Jaipur princely state. On 30 March 1949, at the time of the formation of Greater Rajasthan integration, he was appointed as the first Raj Pramukh, governor-like head of the state. Thus, he played a historic role in the transition from princely rule to the democratic system of India. RS 2023. That's all in this video. If you like this video, please like video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for you all.